Welcome back, Michael at Wickerson Studios. What I've done here is I've just generated a static kind of function, which is kind of strange to call it that. You could try and type in all of your data here if you like, but then you're stuck with this kind of hard-coded function, which really isn't doing anything. I mean, it has no inputs. It's kind of like having just a text container. What I've done is I've continued to run that through the function so you can slide along it and you, from x, and you can see what point in the y it turns out to. You can do the derivative to decide the slope. But then what I've done is I've actually made it so you can close and open that function above and below, whatever you want. But I provided, through reading through those points, the average curve that's happening there, and then a quick graph of what's happening at the points. I put it through a curve, and then the only other thing was the integral. I was calculating the area underneath. Because see, this area is interesting because if it dips below the negative, that's going to minus any of the area that's on the positive. So as I slide through this and you take a look at this, it's a very big area down here at 11. But if I slide this through and start to continue that on a negative side, it'll kind of cancel it out and it pulls it down to 7 area. So basically, this area is minusing from this volume, which isn't really what I want. So I took the points, put them into a curve, and then I took them through and just found the, obviously I took the points from, let's see, the original, the original points of what I'm recording those on the X. And then I'm drawing a line between those and the endpoints of the curve. And then I'm able to have this framed as a surface edge, which is nice because then it adds the volume to the volume. So you're actually adding, the area to the area. So I thought that would be a more useful visualization tool, which I've added to it. And then the only other thing I really did was I took the formula and put it into one of these beautiful parabola from arguments, which Daniel, Christoph, and myself were working on in the Dominion plugin, but it's nice to see it's over here in Grasshopper 2. So you can really start and stop, really consider what you want to do as a geometry and have parabolic control. And you can do that with any function that they're offering you throughout the math tabs. But that's about it. In 2 minutes, I hope you enjoyed it. And we will keep moving. So pretty exciting. See where it goes. Thanks for watching.